So tell me, Yankee, why did you come to this horrible place? As close to nowhere that I've ever seen.
Let's just say, looking for someone.
He has a chainsaw? Yeah, that shit, no. Hey, yo, put the fucking syringe away. Hey, no, put it back, put it back. No, 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 no. And I'm addicted to her. Again.
Sacrificial lamb, you will receive our most sacred body. It begins now.
Mother stole my jacket.
Hey, stop it. Hey, Yankee. Got a name?
Yeah, it's called Where's My Fucking Jacket?
Quiet type, eh? I'm Luis Serra. Guess you, me, picked the wrongest spot to vacation, eh? Hey, stop it. You move, I move. And I'm beat up enough as it is. I can see you're thinking. Bet you've been in spots like this before, huh? I guess you're here looking for someone. One more guess. Maybe some missing señorita?
Oh, young girl. Talk. Now.
All right. See, heard chatter about moving a señorita.
Moving her. Where?
Where is she? But later,
Where?
saw some men dragging someone to the old church. Hanging with you, not healthy.
Oh shit! Hey, can I ask you a few questions, mate? Fucking hell, that is... That is fucking brutal. Damn.
Hey, we're not done here!
Later, amigo.
Well, I suppose he's nice enough to leave the key behind. That's something.
Shit, they took my gear.
Well, fuck. Robbed in the streets of Baltimore once more.
Condor 1 to Roost. I've located Baby Eagle. It sounds like she's being kept in some church.
Great. That's good news.
I heard it from this guy I met. Said his name is Luis Serra. There's something fishy about him. I need you to run a background check.
We'll call Condor 1. I'll see what I can find. In the meantime, make your way to that church.
Right. I'm probably due for confession anyway.
Okay, they took my gear, right? So how come I still have, like, my earpiece, my holster, all my ammo pouches and shit? Why not take that as well? Honestly, I'd grab that fucking shovel. Like, so many fucking weapons here. Just grab a shovel, Leon. You know, grab a shovel and you're... They have fucking power tools? Come on. Can I even... I can. Ah. Marijuana. Ah, sewers, of course. It's always gotta be the fucking sewers, isn't it? Alright, let's get this over with. You're gonna jump out on me, aren't you? Oh, kitchen knife. perform wide sweeping slash attacks with that. You can also deliver quick stabs. Oh. Actual knife combat. I'm about to be like Black Noir up in here. Yes, I know how to stealth kill.
Hey,
Oh,
that's
my
my
stuff.
gear.
Where's my shotgun? Oh, my shotgun. There's a guy in there. There's that guy. Space when the prompt appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. Oh, I see. Okay, let me test it out then.
Un forastero!
Okay, that's not how you do it. That's not how you fucking do it. Okay, screw that. Oh well. Oh shit. Off to a great fucking start. Damn, you must be taking a rough shit. I just this. Get down. I'm just gonna turn around there. Gotta wait for the right and opportune moment. Well, there goes my right and opportune moment. Hello. Work. There we go. That's better. Ah! Got your ass. That's what I fucking thought. Where's my stuff? It's not in here. Oh, it's locked. Oh, there we go. Looks like the way out. Oh, it's locked.
It's locked.
Of course it's fucking locked. Shit's always locked. Gotta hold. Oh, it's a timed thing. Run, Forrest, run. Did it fucking close already? Come on, Leon, quick.
Gotcha, bitch!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, come on. Come on. For fuck's sake. That's fucking funny. Real fucking funny.
I'll be taking these back.
Okay, do some shortcuts. 2, it'll be... And let's get us 4. I suppose the knife can be 3. Oh, I can't even set a knife. Can't set a knife as 3. Okay. So what if I just... Oh, okay. Oh no, I'm good on... Oh, they didn't do any damage. Surprising. Okay. Can you do any crafting? Can. shit ton of this then. Perfect. Also, still pissed off they took my fucking leather jacket. Oh, hello.
Over here, stranger.
Who's that?
Well, I mean, he seems a lot different than other fucking locals.
Let's do some business then, eh?
Business.
Welcome.
Oh, it's a shop. Claim the reward. Ah.
Well, look at you, mate.
Ah.
I've got something new for you, mate.
Yo. He's fucking packing in under that trench coat. Fucking hell, how much shit is he carrying? Bolt thrower. Quite projectile weapon,
All
that
my
is great.
wares are in tip-top shape, I assure you.
It's great for mobilizing enemies. Bolts can be retrieved. Oh. Scope for freedom. I don't have space for that. First aid spray. Case upgrade. The sun. Oh, okay. Tune up. Repair this. Oh, I can upgrade my...
Molding a weapon to suit your specific needs. Oh, it's a thing of beauty, isn't it?
A thing of beauty, will never fade away. Ooh, I can upgrade a shoddy. Hold on, what can I sell? Key items that no longer serve a purpose can be sold.
Your valuables won't do you much good in the grave.
For selling only. Perfect, I guess. Flagon. That's inlaid. Good. Well, I'm gonna keep that so I can get gems. I'm not selling my gun. I'm not gonna sell those things. Oh. Give me them. Okay, I'm not just gonna sell them. $18,000.
Thank you.
Okay. So how much I have? I have 31. Okay.
Knife needs care every once in a while.
Right.
Could be the difference between life and death.
Fair enough.
Easy work.
Okay. I'm gonna upgrade the power on this.
There you are.
Yeah.
As you wished.
Get some
Try that
power
on for
that as
size.
well. Some more damage. Alright. This is what my... Oh. That's handy.
Your weapons are in good hands, mate. I'll see you right.
Do I need so many knives now?
Got a selection of good things on sale,
Sure you can sell,
stranger.
but it's pretty much fucking broken.
I'll buy all my pleasure
Okay.
doing business with you.
I think just one,
Not bad.
2 kitchens is probably good.
Came into some other bits and bobs too, mate.
Punisher. Oh, so we get this
We
one.
like our herbs,
Treasure
we
map.
do. Heal a man, kill a man, they do it all.
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening to you talking about drugs. I was looking at the treasure map. Okay, I'm getting a treasure map.
You've got a soft spot for treasure, eh?
Hell yeah, I do.
Yeah, that's the way. Pleasant travels.
Thank you. Let me have a good day now, sir. Get rid of the rats that are taken up in the factory. We don't know if they are carrying any diseases, but we'd rather not find out. Rats. Rats make me crazy. Alright, guess it's time to stop the spread of the bubonic plague once again.
Yes.
I see you took care of a request. Well,
What's this? How are the requests coming along? Did you know that you can trade the spinels you receive as a reward for valuable goods that can't be bought otherwise? Regardless of useful items, we recommend you pick up a treasure map the most. Hidden treasures. But why not steal the treasure yourself?
I knew I could count on you. Got some rare things on sale, stranger.
Should I get them?
Oh, my back is killing me. Years haven't been kind to us, I suppose.
Us? Who the fuck are you, Venom? I'll hold on in case something cooler shows up.
Came into some other comeback anytime.
Yeah, I ain't got no rifle. Just gonna put this. Oh, wait, no, 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 no. Wait. Fuck, shit. I don't want to move this stuff. Move. How do I put something into storage? I can't put ammo into storage? What? Oh, for fuck's sake. Well, I guess that's two slots I'm not getting back then. Damn, lovely weather. Oh yeah.
Got some new wares, stranger.
Let me save. There we go.
You're ready for a treat.
I can't go this way, can I? No. No, I can't. So I gotta go through. Wait, that was... Oh, there's... Damn it. I was in here? Ah. Handgun. Who keeps handgun ammo? Oh. Well, that sure seems nice. Nice. Now we're getting somewhere. Did not know I could jump that. That would have been fucking handy to know.
Oh, nothing but the finest wares.
The hell am I?
Stop resisting. A little better for you that way. Stop resisting. Told you to stop resisting. Well, this looks interesting. What in the fuck is this? Not going there, no? Okay. It's not worth it just wasting on one guy. Anything? Anything? First aid. Fuck. I should probably head out of here. Oh, yep. Definitely. Cool. It's gonna tank that. Of course, that's knocked. Good evening. Give me money. No, I should probably kept that on. Okay. Fuck. Upstairs. Roundhouse kick, bitch.
Out of the way.
What's this? I got the thing.
Left.
Got the stuff. Did he just fucking drop down? Behind him. Oh. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. Actually. Might as well do this. Get all this stuff. Ah, my hand. Oh, fuck's sake. Ow. Bitch. This is quick. Boom. Stay by me. Anything? Anything? Quick. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Perfect. Cool. Oh, let's do something. Oh shit. You know what? It's perfect time to use this. Fucking pro gamer move right here. Drop. Look at the amount of stuff here. Good evening.
Give me a break already.
Okay, I think I got what I needed anyway. You're gonna keep on coming here? Okay, I think it's over. We didn't leave anything. Oh, fuck, I did. Shit. What's to the left? Left money? Expanded treasure map and compound. Fuck's sake. Okay, again. Is that the money in here? It was. Now. Okay. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, that thing's downstairs. Stop missing your shots. Come on. Oh, fuck. Shotgun fire. Okay, I need to use one of these again. Lock. What's the thing? What's this? Is it here? Behind? Where is this? Fucking level. I'm gonna get hit by something. Just blew himself up. Okay, she's dead. Where the fuck is? I don't know. What? Oh, come on. This is fucking bullshit. Fuck me. Okay, I think we got a second here. In inside, no, it's back on me. I'm like, oh, I think it's somewhere above. He's not gonna reach me. No. What the fuck? From where? Oh, from there. Unless it's something I have to shoot down or something. It is. Oh, you fucking punched me. Yeah. That's what you fucking get. That was it. Fucking smart dude. What's the key for? Yeah, it's just back now. I think I have everything in this area anyway. Just keep running, just keep... Back up, mate, back up. Fucking back up. Okay. Fuck. How do I use the big... Oh, the big resources are for a rifle and submachine gun. Oh, well, shit. Gosh, that's gonna go in there. But...
Oh,
Can I... Really?
break's over, I suppose.
Key items can only be used. Oh, okay, I get you. It's for little boxes. Great. Stuff like this. Yes. What do we have? Elegant mask. Beautiful. Alright.
Why not treat yourself, mate? Welcome. I've got something new for you, mate.
Do you?
Why not try
Sure.
your hand at a new gun, stranger? Might save your life.
Nah, no, I'm good.
A well-tuned weapon can make up for a lack of skill, friend.
Are you calling me fucking bad? Yeah, get better reload on
Dazzled, are you? Our craftsmanship came in just so don't get yourself killed now.
this. Yeah, because I'm probably your only fucking customer. I'm gonna save again. What is he laughing for?
Gun rhymes with fun for a reason, stranger.
Does it? Let's get back into it. Hey! And there's already screaming in the distance. And there's already a dude. That's fucking loud. Nah, he don't know I'm here.
Puedes correr, pero no te puedes esconder.
How would he know? How would he know? That's how he would know. He has a friend. Oh my god. Okay. Don't get up. Final warning. It's not a fucking wow. fuck, I only got 1 herb. Oh, I got this. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna haul off. Man, I'm fucking ass. I tried being all sneaky and shit, did not fucking work out well. Oh. These are taking up so much inventory space, fuck. Another sapphire. Very nice. Oh. You motherfucker. Almost. Almost. Well, this looks welcoming. I hear something. And there's all those collectibles inside. Ooh, bobbleheads. Might be able to get it from the other side. Gunpowder. Nice. That is a big ass bird. Bird. Bird is the word. Bird. What's in here? There he fucking is. Scribbles about dolls. Their influence is not what it once was. Destroy the wind-up dolls. Do not forgive those aristocrats. Is that all in here? Yeah. Nice. Carry on then. Nothing behind here. Nothing behind it. There's straight. Wait, where the fuck am I? Wait. Oh no, I came from down here. I'm going up here, okay. Above. Remember they can hang. Yep. That's... No? Well... Oh shit. I'm just gonna continue on doing this. Hopefully he doesn't... I hope he just leaves me alone, please. Oh, I gotta reach down here. Oh no.
Well, that stinks.
For selling only. Ugh. Well. Yeah, a grenade will do. Breathe again, sack boy. Oh fuck. Shit, oh fuck. Oh fuck, that's... final warning. This is fucking epic. Stay down. Fuck, won't stay down. Oh no, come on. Fucking hell. There was my knife. Stay down. Final warning. Okay. Emerald. Oh. Fucking fancy up in here. Did the lady not drop anything? Nope. Oh yeah, emerald. I can probably put that inside here. Yes. Ooh, beautiful. Oh my fucking god, that is beautiful. It's come along quite nicely. Actually, I wonder if I can clean this somehow. Can I clean it somehow, maybe? Get better price then? No? Cool. Yeah, he thinks he's funny. It's a cool little house. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Hmm. Why are these ones already disabled? I need a key, yeah. Okay, before I go inside, I'm gonna check the outside. Oh shit, gotta watch my footing here. Nice kitchen there. Am I going in the back? I'm gonna check the front door first. There's treasures, they're inside. I mean, I'm pretty sure the front door is gonna be locked, but yeah.
Ah, it's locked.
Has to be fucking expected. Motherfucker. Looks like someone's home. Oh damn. I'm just gonna leave you there. Sorry. Yeah, I close the door. It's for the best.
Not too shabby. Someone has shown up their neighbors.
Fucking hell, yeah, this is a nice house. Yeah, compared to all our fucking shacks, it's pretty good. So I think someone else is still here. And someone definitely still here somewhere. Was that in the hallway?
Old photos.
Or they could be present day photos. I mean, looks like they just barely got some technology here, so scratched out. Beautiful, cool. At last, flesh of our flesh, blood of our blood. Give thanks and rejoice. Yeah, nah, I'm good. Just got mine lying around it. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, I'm just gonna go out on a whim. Say this. I am a fucking genius. I am a motherfucking genius. No fucking way. I guess someone didn't like that I got that on the first try. Sit down. Yeah, I don't think he was happy that I fucking guessed this. That's just him bumbling away. Another ruby. Very nice. This is a very big house. Big fucking man must live here. Save. Of course. Can I... Lock. Nice. Can I craft more ammo? No, I don't have to. Well, I can craft rifle ammo, but I don't have a rifle. Illuminados. In great veneration of their master, the people offered up their most prized possessions. The old farmer, his finest crop. The slight swineherd, his stoutest pig. The beggarly grandam, her own beloved babe. The master saw these gifts and was pleased. The fuck is this for? Wait, fuck, was this the puddle downstairs? Wait, there was a fucking... There was a... Yeah, there was a fucking baby thing on the... Yeah. I think this is for the puzzle. I don't need it, I'm good. I don't need it, I'm smart, you know. Oh. What the hell? Oh. What can I say? I'm just a fucking genius in disguise. Damn. Village Records Volume 3. Date, October 10th. The weather has been strange of late. The wheat withers and the cows grow thin. Date, December 8th. There are signs of famine. It is true, we like the means to work the fields, but Lord Sadler's orders are absolute. Date, January 30th. 30 people have starved to death. 5 cows will be slaughtered. March 11th. The patriarchs gathered to cast lots. 6 more chosen for Lord Sadler. April. 8 more today. 4 more today. 11 more today. 2 outsiders got lost and wandered into the village. We took them to the altar for the ritual. No need to cast lots today. Oh, I think lots are sacrifices. The fuck you think he is? Emperor Palpatine? Insignia key. Let's prepare for the door. I'm gonna leave that there. Grab some other stuff. Huh, what do you know? A secret? How am I gonna reach that? Oh, I got another person. Okay. Oh shit. Fucking hell. Not the window, not the window.
Blood has accepted the gift.
What fucking gift? Is that my guardian angel?
Gift? My blood?
Just walks away? That was a short chapter. Gift in the blood. Wow. I guess that was episode 2, Resident Evil 4 Remake. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, consider leaving a like, maybe subscribe. If not, won't force you to. See you in the next one.